I have experience for more than 20 years with computers and other communication devices. So cybersecurity for me, it's something like above the level of IT industry, because it's good to know how the things works, but when after that you realize that when you're trying to manage them to be more secure, and because there are some risks and vulnerabilities, as also some peoples which they like to use them. So when you are looking for to hardening your equipment, your environment, so the cybersecurity, some new area, and where you can learn a lot of. So this course, it's very interesting, and it's more specific, and its title says it's cybersecurity technician. So the materials are very objective and detailed, specific, and they are very well explained. And in the labs there are good scenarios which you can test in the real environment, like man-in-the-middle attack, SQL attacks, DDoS attacks, and other things, and also security and hardening the environment. So this course is definitely based to be for the technicians, and it covers all the subject needed to build after finishing to have some certified technician which can work in this field. This is very important because you cannot learn only one field. Become a specialist, you must know those other fields, because they're overlapping all the time, and they're connected, everyone each other. So you cannot be, for example, specialized as a forensic, but you must know how the networks are worked, which are the risks for the assets and for the environment. You must understand how the things works, and many things which are really connected. And what I said, if you want to be a specialized in one field, this doesn't mean that you can learn only for these things. You must be familiar with all these things, because they are related, and they are part of the big picture. The labs, they help it a lot, because as I mentioned before, this is a technician course, so it's reasonable to have 80 plus on labs. Also, when you finish this course, you can use them, those scenarios, in the real environment, when you can be a technician and for this industry, and you can work as a certified examiner or pen tester and something like that. From my aspect, I like most the incident response and computer forensics, maybe because I'm interested to build next more skills in these fields, and because I'm interested to be through EC Council program to be certified for this. And I found also that those course, it's covering a lot of materials which are needed for this course, and also other interesting fields for me were cryptography, IoT, and data security. Maybe this incident handling and digital forensic was interesting for me, because when I was young, there were popular CSI serials, and I was interested in how they find the evidence, and etc. So when you have this opportunity to do this in your real life, and for you to be a technician and to be those who will examine the data, and so that's why this course is very interesting, and those fields are interesting for me. CTF challenges and exercises are very helpful because you are in the environment where you are challenged, and you can see are you good or not good, and also these challenges are mostly from the real life environments, and they build you to be more confident, and after that as a technician to implement this in the real environment. It's very important to have 18 plus labs and enter the level on this cybersecurity program, because with this certification, after this you can work as a technician, and those labs covers a lot of environment scenarios, which is a good base to start as a technician in this cybersecurity industry. This program, I must stress, it's very good. Also covers my interest of incident handling and digital forensic, and I must confirm that it has a lot of materials, but after finishing these materials and also the labs, they makes you confident that and when you start practicing this, you just have the feeling that okay, this was really needed and I covered it in this course. So for example, if someone would like to work as a pen tester or SOC technician, all the materials covers, so those what technician needs to start to work this kind of field, because it covers all the situations, and after finishing this course, the technicians all needs to implement this what he learned and skilled through these labs in this environment, like SOC or which is different, depends, from the asset situation, people, and etc. The experience finishing this exam, it was very good, and I liked the most threats and vulnerabilities and digital forensics, because in these lab scenarios, and also after that when you implement in the real environment, you realize how these vulnerabilities can be found in the real environment, and what you must do to harden this environment. And also digital forensic, it is interesting how you can find the proof and evidence, and to conserve this, because all these cases now and also in the future are based on these digital evidences. So as a technician, we must secure them, more sure that they are not changed and they are taken as they should be for the processing in the future. I must stress, labs were very great. It's a big material compared to the previous courses, but it must be done if you want to be experienced, and if you want those learning skills to implement. And as I mentioned, with CCT certification, after finishing, it's this certificate that it's required as one of them with which you can start testing some environments, and you can start working with. And also the environments it has a lot of new features, which are they're updated with the new features and risks and vulnerabilities which are in this moment.